um you're welcome back to this channel once again. My name is Richmond and you're welcome back to the DAW Masters. And in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change the background of Cubase 5 to a different color. When most producers find it very difficult to work with the white area of Cubase when the work area is very white, and it affects your sight for your if you work for a specific period of time. So in this video I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step how you can change the background of your Cubase, the work area of your Cubase. And so without wasting much of your time, if you're new to the channel, like the video, subscribe to the channel as well, and turn notification bell so that whenever I draw one amazing video like what you're about to watch, YouTube will send you a notification instantly. So without first of all, you need to do is to hit on files on your Cubase. When you go to this the section of the title bar, and below the title bar you can see that we have files, edit, project, audio, MIDI, score, media, transport, device, Windows, help. So the first one is files. Right after clicking on files, there will be a drop down menu like what you're seeing right now on your screen. All you need to do is to come to the bottom side and hit on preference. And when you hit on that, you can see that we have appearance over here, and then we have general appearance, we have meters, we have work area. Right after that we have editing and so on. So what we need to focus on to change the background of Cubase is that we need to focus on the work area, simply because this place is called the work area. So what you need to do is to drag the brightness of your work area down to your preferred, or to a level where it seems like it's best for you. Yes, all you need to do is to drag that thing downwards, and after that you hit on OK. And right after doing that, the background of your Cubase will change from what you were seeing to a new background, or a new work area which is dark. And this one is going to make you very comfortable when you're working with when you're working for a specific period of time or longer period of time. So there is nothing like anything is going to change. You can hit on record and everything is going to be like what you were seeing over and you can change the colors to your preferred one. There's nothing like something is going to change. There's nothing going to change. Only the work area will be dark, and that's all. So guys, this is what I want to show you guys, and I'll be back with a brand new tutorial. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notification bell so that whenever I drop an amazing video, YouTube will send notification. Until I see my next video, don't forget that I do love you guys. Bye bye for now, stay safe, and see you in my next video. Boom.